Knott's Berry Farm began almost 100 years ago in 1920, and it began as a family-owned operation, really a family-owned farm. Over the years, it developed into the theme park that it is today.
The Knott's Berry Farm is really broken down into 3 different properties. We have the park itself, the Knott's Berry Farm Park, as well as the hotel and the Soak City Park across the street. All of those rely upon communications to do the business.
Our call volume can range anywhere from the slower season to about 400 calls a day to our peak season, about 14 to 1600 calls a day.
We were looking to improve the functional capabilities that were limited by the existing system. We chose NEC Univerge SV9500.
We didn't have caller ID on our phones. There were no metrics, like how many calls do we have in the queue before they start dropping. We didn't have that information.
The new system provides a reporting feature. We can get it every 15 minutes, we can get it daily, we can get it hourly, however you want it set up. If we know last year on this day we received 1,200 calls, I can staff now for that 1,200 a day. So less drop calls for the guests and we're able to assist.
One of the things we like the most about the SV9500 is the ease of administration. So while the NEC system that we chose is a very complex system, for us has not required an overtaxing support responsibilities from my team.
We can actually through GNAV go through and listen to a live phone call. We can listen to the operator, how they respond, what types of questions are being asked. It's a really nice feature.
So the beauty of the system that we have is the scalability of it. There are numerous features. The support was great. We had very good support from NEC, from all of the representatives. Their knowledge of this park is extensive, and their knowledge of their product is even more extensive.
I do feel that NEC has been a partner with us. One of my main charges here is to provide support. Having the backing of NEC in that support has been very beneficial.
Just working with the team was a smooth transition. When we switched over, we did it after hours, so the transition was flawless.
I would highly recommend NEC. They've been really good partners, both through the technology that they've delivered as well as the support that they've given to us has been excellent.
Orchestrating a brighter world, NEC.